Hi everyone, this is Jeff at Just Piddling Around. I wanted to take a few minutes, show you some upgrades that I did to my cheap saw. It's not too bad of a saw really. Cost $140. It's a Ryobi, got it at Home Depot. But there are some things that just didn't seem to be right about it. So I'm going to take you through that right now. Alright, here's my Ryobi table saw. $130, Home Depot. I've had quite a few hours on it. It's been a great saw, but there's been need for improvement. First off, the miter guide, well, it would go into the slot and kind of slide around back and forth. So what I did was I took a small piece of plastic and glued it in along the side to take up the gap, and that seems to keep everything nice and true. It wiggles a little bit on the left side. On the right side, it's pretty firm. So that's kind of the quality you get for getting a cheap saw. So that's the first upgrade that I did to it. Even gets a little sticky at times. Now the second one was right here on the cover. As you slide a piece of wood across here, it would dip down because this piece of metal is thinner than the groove they gave you to put in it. So that would cause your cuts to be kind of in an arch as you went across the end grain or a small side. So once again with the plastic, I took and put in the shim here to fill up that gap so that now it doesn't bulge back down. That's a couple of the improvements that I've made so far. It's been a great saw, really has, and I've created a couple of projects on it, knowing these problems. So, you know, it's something you get used to. Now, the other thing is this fence. It's got a spring in the back that hooks around the back. Then at the front, you've got a clamp. Now, I've noticed that if you want to get things pretty square, you have to push in on this end to get it nice and firm, and then lock it down in place. And still, you can kind of see that it's not square. So I don't rely on this a whole lot. I've tried doing some adjustments to it. I'm sure there's something I can do better, but I haven't gotten around to that yet. So this is my, quick little intro to the Ryobi saw. Now, I would like to say that whenever you do get a new product, you've got to check all these things out. You have to make sure everything, the fence is not square, and the blade was not square when I got it. Now, that's pretty easy to take care of. there are stops at 0 and 45. 0, 45. Now you can put a square up here against the blade, move it around. If you have to, you can adjust these stops to get it to where the angle is that you need it to be. And I had to do that too. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. This is Jeff at Just Piddling Around. Stay safe. Take care.